Righto people, welcome back to a new video. Today I am in a fishing competition, currently setting up my fly fishing gear. Just got dropped off at my access point, and I am on the Mataura River, the world famous Mataura River. Had a look at the river before and she's got a bit of water running through it, but I've got a pretty semi-decent stretch. The Trout River has a lot of fish in it, so I'm hoping that I can nail 2 really good fish. For this competition it is 2 fish per person, so they've got to be over 35 centimetres and they've got to be gutted and gilled. Don't have a problem with that because I haven't had a feed trout in a while anyway, so gonna get my rod and reel set up and we're gonna get to the river. So yeah, stay tuned. Yo. Oh, first look at the river on my stretch. It doesn't look too bad. Funny enough, I've fished here before. Many moons ago, probably 4 years ago, 5 years ago. And believe it or not, I fished here with my mate Scott. Don't know if you ever remember, one of my mates who used to go fishing had his name called Drop Shot Fishing NZ. His name's Scott. He doesn't fish anymore though. I'm unsure why. I think he just got a girlfriend and turned into a pussy, but anyway. Oh, stretch of the river looks nice. Down there though, it's yeah, that ain't gonna be fishable for me. It's not too much water downstream of me. I've got quite a pretty decent stretch, so I'm gonna put on an indicator and see if I can find a few fish. Just slowly work my way along here. I've got a long time to fish this stretch, so gonna fish it wisely, see if it'll produce something. I think this will be a good spot for the afternoon rise, I presume. Nice long stretch. Right, I'm gonna get set up and then we're gonna get into it. Righto, we're all set up. Got a New Zealand strike indicator on, and then I got 2 nymphs on, one little caddis and then a little red beaded sort of pheasant tail. Haven't seen any rise yet. It's only early morning, but this bush is quite difficult to peer over into. Actually, I may have just seen a rise here. Well, that sun's coming out now anyway. I'm going to start being able to see into the water. It's quite dark water, but I know it holds fish, so well, we'll figure something out. Found 2 fish sitting here. Oh, he's seen me. The other one hasn't though. The other one hasn't. That first fish was a good one. The second fish is a little smaller, but it's worth fishing to. That first one was £4. That other fish is moving all over the show. Just got to get into position. Quite a cast, but I can do it. This could do it. Oh, I think I spooked him. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I spooked him. Damn it.
A few moments later.
Literally as I went to stand up, that fish was like right there. I don't know if he's seen me though. Whew. Some guys are going nuts. Oh, I took the dry. Took the dry. Oh, I took the dry. Took the dry. He took my dry. Oh, damn it. Right in front of me. Surely you all saw that. Oh, you're fucking kidding. Damn it. He's still sitting there. I doubt he'll fucking get again though. Yep, is it frozen? It is now. So I got put onto the stretch of river, pretty local. I've had 2 anglers jump on in front of me, unfortunately. It screwed me up, but I've still managed to catch one. But it's good to get out. I haven't been out in quite a while. I managed to head to Twizel, did a bit of fishing. There's a little clip here. Got it, yep. Good fish too. That's good. I'm in the pheasant tail. Right, can I keep this one on? Not to mention I got a new chest mount. This feels lovely. I don't have a net either. Oh, that's a good fish. He's not bad. That's a nice fish. Beautiful colours. Oh, cheers, bro. Yeah, no, that'll be handy. He's not ready yet. He's only lightly hooked. He went to take the dry fly and then took the nymph. Yes, nice fish. Beautiful colours. Yes, thank you. Oh, that's a nice fish. Lovely fish. Oh yeah, that 10. Oh, it might be 5 pound. A pheasant tail. Finally got one to stick. Look at that. Beautiful. Right. Oh, he's bleeding a little. Uh-oh. Yeah, I think he might be right. Oh, yeah. Oh. Finally landed one. Thank you for that. So yeah, no. Got a wee brown along the edge of the Tekapo Canal, which was quite lovely, so, but no, good conditions. Check this out. Haven't seen many fish rising, and yeah, peace. Yo. There's a fish directly across from me, sitting sort of in behind a stick. If I get a cast at him, might be able to get him, maybe. I don't know, today's been super hard. They're not really moving either. They're not moving for much. I reckon after all those floods and shit we had here in Otago and Southland, all the insect life has just turned to shit. Oh, he moved, definitely moved for that. Definitely moved for that. That could be good. This could be good. Oh, he moved out for something as I got it over where he was. Oh, he took it. He took it. Yeah. He took it. still there. This is another good cast. He's chasing it. He chased that for ages. This could do it. He's chasing it, he's chasing it. Got him. Yes. Oh. About time. He's chasing that for ages. Not the biggest fish, but a fish at that. Where can I get him? If I can just slowly bring him up to here. Yes, I've got to be 35 centimetres to measure for this comp. It could be 35. Yeah. Finally. That took some time, team. I'd say he's over 35 for sure. So, yeah. Alright. Took some bloody persuading with that one. Yeah, he's over 35 for sure. Yeah. At least I have one fish to weigh in. It's a 2 bag limit per person, so I only need one more. But hey, it's a team competition and every fish counts when you're in a team. So I'm going to dispatch this guy, get him all sorted, and then we're going to keep fishing. Well, that is me, people. Today's been a pretty hard but long day. A lot of fish seen, very spooky fish, like very spooky. But lucky to get one. One's better than none. So yeah, right. Hopefully this one fish of mine contributes to the team, and hopefully we can take out this competition. So stay tuned. Yo.
Yeah. So I completely forgot to get back to you. So I'm sitting here, I'm literally editing this video that you're watching, and I realised that I never got back to you. We didn't win. It was a good day on the water though. The stretch of water I had was really hard to fish. Seen a lot of fish, but just so spooky. Couldn't get a presentation to them without them swimming off. I even sat there watching them feed, take surface, dries and nymphs, and I couldn't get them to take anything. They would spook. And then I realised that I'd been put on to a fairly local stretch, so unfortunately I got dealt the local spot and had 2 worm fishermen cut in front of me and fish the riffles, so there was my chance gone. And yeah, but no, we didn't win the competition. It was a good day to get out. It was a beautiful, beautiful summer's day. It was around 28 degrees, but no dry fly action. But it is what it is. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Remember to like, subscribe, drop a comment, share the video. Helps me out, and we're getting lots of subscribers and everything, support now. So oh well, I'll leave you to it, and tight lines. See you in the next one. Yo.